Okay, this is Pattaya walking street. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. A lot of Chinese tour groups, I'm sure. Got some temples over here. Durian. So this is Pattaya walking street. So it's gonna walk down it, and it's a virtual reality there. Yeah, a little bit of everything. Crocodile barbecue, gun range. Chinese tour group. I've been seeing a lot of Chinese tour groups everywhere on this walking street. Seafood. Live music down this way. Mango. 100 shark fin for the Chinese tourists, fish spa, another Chinese tour group. See if we can get around them a little bit. McDonald's doing Ron McDonald doing a Y. Another Turkish ice cream. Ice cream show. Right spot, eh? A lot of virtual reality ones. Gonna go right into the crowd, I guess. That's a lot of Chinese tour groups. So many Chinese tour groups. This is the first time I've walked down it with a camera, but I've been walking up and down it a little bit since I've been in Pattaya the last 2 days. And every time I go down it, it's just a bunch of Chinese tour groups with little flags and big groups of people with cameras. The Windy Inn Hotel, okay. There's just a whole stream of tour groups. Okay. So we just walked through Walking Street.